Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the side mirror on your Chevy Impala. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure you have your new side mirror assembly ready for installation. Before starting any work, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery to ensure safety and prevent any electrical shorts. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool, exposing the mirror's mounting area. Locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's adjustments and heating elements. Next, use your socket wrench to unscrew the 3 mounting bolts securing the old mirror to the door. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the old mirror away from the door frame. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new side mirror assembly with the mounting holes on the door frame. Insert and tighten the 3 mounting bolts using your socket wrench, ensuring the mirror is securely fastened. Reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Before putting the door panel back, test the mirror's power adjustments and turn signal, if applicable, to confirm everything works correctly. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are securely fastened. Reconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Take a moment to double-check the new mirror's functionality, including its power adjustments and any integrated turn signals. Also, ensure its alignment is correct for optimal visibility. You've successfully replaced your Chevy Impala's side mirror, saving yourself time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.